All right, this year's award recipient in the category of Science and Healthcare is Dr. Elaine Werner Kennedy, a physician at the Family Health Center. She is also a Presentation Academy alum, class of 1971. And again, please join me in congratulating Dr. Werner Kennedy.
I feel humbled and blessed this evening to be able to accept this award. When I think of how Presentation Academy helped to prepare me for the job that I do as a family practitioner in an inner city setting, Prez taught me how to show up on time, dress right, treat people with respect, and to do the best I can do with what I have and sometimes don't have to work with. One of my proudest moments as a Prez grad was being able to celebrate Miracle Day. Presentation had a near-death experience in January of 1995 and announced the need to close. This resulted in an intense outpouring of community support. Alumni were pledging, juniors were donating car money that they were saving, seniors donated their prom money, and over about a period of 72 hours, sister, there was $750,000. 900? Oh, really? It was even more, I guess, later. So, as you can see, the school was resuscitated, and my alma mater is still here. When I looked at the Fall Tower magazine, all around the world, once a Prez girl, always a Prez girl, I started laughing because I never had the opportunity in high school or college to study abroad. But every day at work, I see such a diverse cultural population of patients and coworkers that I get that experience and I don't even have to use my passport or, and I can still sleep in the same bed at night, and I don't even have to get on an airplane, and I am back home. And I even gave a map to the person that works at the very front intake desk, and I said, what you need to do is you ask people, don't ask people where they are. They really don't know where they are. But if you hand them a map, where are you from? And I swear they will know where they're from. They don't know where they are, but they know where they're from. And that way, that will help us get the interpreter we need. Thank yous to my coworkers and family. My coworkers are sitting right over there. They try to keep me on track every day. We can all contribute to our office supply of chocolate. White chocolate for the calm days, milk chocolate for the usual stress, and then the deepest, darkest chocolate for the days when nothing but chocolate, chocolate, and more chocolate will get us through. Thanks to my daughter Maria, she continues the Prez legacy. She was the little Fulbright lady in Vietnam over there in the video. And she could not be with us tonight, but she is in Kansas City, Missouri. She did Teach for America. She now teaches high school sophomores history. Her first time teaching history, their first time learning history. They've never had it before. They were a little slow on the math and reading, but that's okay. So she's working on that. And then thank you to my favorite son, Will, who has always supported his mom. He's a good boy. And he just finished all of his work at UK, so I'm really thankful for that. Above all, my husband, Tom, he's the philosopher, and he is a student of theology, and he helps me to think outside my scientific box and to embrace life in a more spiritual way every day. I also want to throw in, because I didn't have this in my notes, but I do want to thank, I've always wanted to thank Sister Carmelita in public. And she's over there at the table, and she taught me cursive in 2nd grade. And and I saw her, and she also taught Frida and Ruth and Mary. She taught us all, you know, how it was out at Thomas More, St. Tom More. But anyway, every time we have electronic health records and it fails and we have to drop to paper, I'm like, Sister Carmelita, I can still write. I can still do the cursive. So bless her, bless her. And in closing, my advice to the future Pres girls, plan your day with a schedule. But think of your schedule as only a suggestion or a mere recommendation, and open yourself to whatever God has planned for you that day. Thank you, and God bless. I think I was over